In this video, I'm going to show you a brand new floor plan from Homes by WestBay. So if you like home tours, stick around. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Bryan, and I'm your Tampa Bay area real estate expert. So if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I'd love to help you. I get calls from people like you every single week wanting to discuss their move to the Tampa Bay or Sarasota area. So my contact number is on the screen here, or you can scan this QR code and that will take you to my Calendly link where you can schedule a one-on-one Zoom call to discuss your real estate goals. All right, enough talking. Let's start today's tour. All right, everybody, this is a brand new floor plan from Homes by WestBay. This is the Egret III, and it can be customized anywhere from a 2 to 4 bedroom, 3 bath, and a 2 to 3 car garage, 34 square feet. And starting price in this community in Lakewood Ranch is $582,990. This is gonna be the model home. So obviously this is gonna cost a lot more than that, but this is the first one that they built. There's none up in the Tampa market, like North Tampa, stuff like that. So you come in, nice long hallway here. And over to the right, you're gonna have bedroom number 1 with an ensuite. And since this is a model home, we might have people walk in. So if we do, just come ignore them. Got your walk-in closet here. And then of course your linen closet right there. All right. Continue back down the main hallway. Let's go to the right first. So right over here, I'm not sure if I can get out here because it's a model, but of course this is going to be your 2-car garage. If you were to make it a 3-car, it would be a tandem, and it would take out the bedroom I'm about to show you. So when you come in out of the garage, there's bedroom number 2 right here, or like I said, if you make this a tandem 3-car garage, then you would just lose this bedroom here. And then of course your laundry room is right here. Cross over the main hallway, you're gonna have a linen closet right here. One more bathroom with the shower. Okay. Continuing on down, you'll have your flex room right here. Of course, they have this one set up as an office. And then you come into your main grand room that is open up to your kitchen. So if you're familiar with the sandpiper floor plan, I've sold several of those. This is kind of similar to that, just a little bit bigger. And then of course your pantry is in here. I like how they got the coffee bar set up. And it is a gas community here. So you got the gas cooktop. And then of course your dining room's over here. And then your main suite is gonna be in the back. What's going on, guys? All right, so here is your main bedroom here. And then into your main bath. This one has the shower with the rain shower head. Also has the big soaking tub. Then you have your dual vanity. And then of course your water closet there. And then your walk-in closet back here. And then this being a model home, they're gonna have a pool included. So let's go outside, take a look. You got your set of sliders right there off your dining room. You also have another set of sliders over here. Hopefully it'll set off an alarm. So you come out, they have this one as an outdoor kitchen. And obviously they're still working next door. So you have your extended lanai that comes out over here. And then of course, this one has a nice big pool, spa, and of course backs to the pond here being a model home. I hope you enjoyed today's tour. Make sure you let me know in the comments below, what did you think of this floor plan? And if you're thinking about moving to the Lakewood Ranch area, as of right now, this is where this floor plan is being built. I'm sure WestBay is going to bring it out. So if you like this floor plan, just reach out and I can get you the communities that they're being built in. But until next video, take care.